What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shy Fun in the cut once again. Okay guys, so as you can see by this title, I'm going to be doing a hair review. Like I told y'all in a previous video, this unit that I made, the hair is actually from Nadula hair on Aliexpress. So this is a 12-inch frontal and a 12-inch bundles. Well, it's not all 3 bundles here, but it's about like 2 and 1/4 bundle basically. So yeah guys, I'm going to be doing this hair review by Nadula Hair Express. So this is the box it comes in right here, if y'all can see that. That's the hair. It says human hair wigs. So as y'all can tell by this box, I bought a wig. I was like, let me be lazy and let me just see how their wigs are, because I know how the bundles and the frontals and stuff are, but I don't know about their wigs because I've never bought a wig from them. So I decided to get a wig. So yeah guys, let me get down to what comes in the box. So when you open the box, I had already opened it, so yeah, when you open the box, this is like your packing list, your packing slip. So y'all can see that. You get a wig cap. Oh, I don't want this to fall out. You get a what I say you get like a little wig cap here. Y'all, I'm all over the place. Okay, get it together. You get a wig cap. So normally they would send me the nude cap, but today they sent me black ones, so it's 2 of those. Yeah, it's 2 black caps in here. And then you also get a pair of lashes here. Get a pair of lashes. I also got like a little free gift. It's like this little keychain with this unicorn and some bells and stuff. So I was like, I'll just give this to my goddaughter because she loves unicorns. And wait, where's the little, y'all, Javon was playing with this unicorn and popped the little thing off at the bottom. So now it don't even make the little, it's like a little chew toy. It don't even make the little noise no more, but it has the little bells. So this is a keychain I would give to my goddaughter. So down to the nitty-gritty, to the item that we all came here for. Last thing that's in the box is this wig here. And so as you can see, I got a pretty long wig. This is a 22-inch wig. I'm going to read off the details here. This hair I bought from Nadula. It's a lace front human hair wig, pre-plucked Brazilian Remy hair lace wig. Straight, it's a straight lace wig and it's 22 inches. And the amount that I paid for the hair was this is really inexpensive. It was like, you know, less than $150. So if you guys want some good quality hair for a reasonable price, hit up Nadula, okay? Plain and simple. Nadula, that is the only hair company that I have tried. This is one of my goals, to be a brand ambassador for Nadula. So I'm putting videos out, so sponsor me. I'm going to open this pack to give y'all a full little good review of this wig. So it comes in this fishnet little stocking thing, I guess, to keep it whole. But this is pretty long, guys. This is long as crap. Y'all know I love me some long hair. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but it comes pretty long. So let me go ahead, open it all the way up for you all. Boom, pow, bam. So it comes with like this little paper filler thingy to keep it shaped, and this little foam thing that I'm going to take off because no one needs that on here no more. Let me take this little thingy out too. Alright, there we go. So this is the full unit. I feel like it's kind of big for my head because my head is very small, y'all. And this is how it looks. So this is the unit on the inside. Let me flip it out so y'all can see. They did really good with sewing this down. Really good. And I bought the 13 by 6. So the 13 by 6. So that way if I want to part, like do a deep part, it'll go, you know, deeper than a 13 by 4. So I was going to try it on for you all, but I have this wig on and I want to make sure this one looks perfect on my head. But it adjusts. It has like this little adjustable strap at the back of it. It adjusts. So if it's too big for my head, I can put it all the way over here if I need to. And these little combs that's in it, I don't really use combs for my hair because I don't want to pull it out my hair. So yeah, I won't use the combs. Can I take these off though? I don't know, but I won't use the combs because I don't want it to pull my hair. It gives you, it's pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked, but I will be doing more plucking so it can look more natural to my hairline. And it comes with like these little baby hairs. It's already out. Yeah, guys, this is pretty long. It's soft. It has no foul smell. It has a smell to it, but it's not unbearable. It's not to the point where you're gonna vomit or you get a headache. Because trust me, I know I have sensitive sinus issues. My nose is very sensitive. So it just smells like hair, to be honest. It smells like hair. It smells like all the hair I always get. And there is no shedding. Wait, let me see. I don't know if y'all can see, but nothing sheds. Literally nothing. There's no shedding in this wig. I don't have not one piece. I don't have one piece of hair. Nothing. So yeah, guys, I'm going to come back when I have this installed. It's not going to be on this video, but it'll probably be in the next video when I have it actually installed in my hair. But this was just a review, like an unboxing of Nadula hair and giving y'all like my first impression of it. So this is not a try on review or anything like that. This is basically like an unboxing first impression. And I love Nadula. I love Nadula hair. It's you know, I'm on a budget. I'm balling on the budget. I'm a baller on the budget. Okay, so I like to look nice, but I don't like to pay outrageous prices for the stuff I want. Even though some stuff, you know, it's going to be expensive or whatever, but I like to keep it at a reasonable price. Like, I know a human hair, you know, a human wig is not going to cost $70. I wouldn't want it because I know human hair is very expensive. So I mean, if I can get it in the middle of expensive and inexpensive, that's cool with me. I'm fine with it. So yeah, guys, I'm going to put the link to their store down in the description box below, and I'm also going to put the link to this specific wig that I bought. If you all are interested in buying this specific wig, I'm going to put that link down below as well. And yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. So like this video, comment in the comment section below, you know, what information you want on this hair, this company, yada yada yada, you do all this and that and this. So this guy here, yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we, or myself or him, post a video to this channel. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.